Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Jaguar. It's the 2.2 diesel sport in absolutely fabulous condition. Absolutely lovely condition. Just a lovely metallic red. Sport alloy wheels, sport body styling kit. Rear spoiler, rear park distance control, rear camera, Goodyear tyres all round. See, the boot area is in fantastic condition. Full leather, half leather interior with Alcantara trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, opening air vents, reverse camera, satellite navigation, lovely condition, aux and a USB, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, navigation, full menu, climate control, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity for your music too. At DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.